Hi everybody, I'm Paul with Modern DriveLine, and we are your 5 and 6 speed conversion specialists. We offer Tremec transmissions, 5-speed single overdrive, and 6-speed double overdrive transmissions for 2-wheel drive and divorce transfer case 4-wheel drive applications. Here we're going to talk about the T5. The T5 is got a long history of use starting in the Fox Mustang back in the 80s all the way through current. Things that have changed through time is now coined as the T5z. That transmission comes with a 295 first gear, available with a .63 overdrive from Tremec, capable of 330 foot-pounds of torque, has a lot of conventional features for the input shaft and the spline count, and comes with this tail housing. This is the one that you'll see on the production model T5. We'll get to our cutaway in just a few minutes. So the T5 has a lot of options available. First off, as you can see in our cutaway, we have an alternate tail housing here. Modern DriveLine produces this tail housing for use in early rods, pickup trucks, cars like Falcons that need a more forward shift location, and of course you can attach a variety of shift levers to this tail housing. We also offer offset shifters, so you can move the stem a little left, a little right, a little more forward to clear seats, frames, anything else that gets in the way. An additional option that Modern DriveLine offers is a .73 overdrive. So if you have a vehicle that doesn't quite make it to that 5th gear, has a little bit less power, maybe a 6-cylinder or 4-cylinder application, we can install a .73 overdrive Tremec brand gear set for you. Modern DriveLine also offers a lot of support features for the T5 transmission. In our display, we've talked about offset shifters available, the front shift tail housing, which by the way is available as a kit where you buy the tail housing, the shift rail, and a shim kit to put it onto an existing world-class Ford-based Mustang T5. We also offer bell housings. In this particular shot, we have our flathead adapter bell housing. This one supports 8BA and 59A series flathead Ford engines. Other bell housings that Modern DriveLine offers include those for Ford small block, as well as a host of adapters for going to many other applications, such as the GM Muncie bell housing pattern, Ford 6-cylinders, other flathead applications as well. We also offer complete solutions out back for drive shafts, whether it's just a slip yoke or U-joint that you need. We have aluminum, steel, and carbon fiber drive shafts available. On the front end, Modern DriveLine has their own brand of superior clutches. We make those in-house, ranging from organic, steel-backed organic, Clutch-Tex Kevlar material, all the way up to full ceramic, or a combination thereof, multi-friction clutches. So we support a range of horsepower for clutches for transmissions. Underneath the T5, we offer cross members. Cross members are bolt-in applications for Mustangs. With our converted tail housing, we have the cross members for Falcons. We also offer a host of cross members for a variety of other cars to support our other models of transmissions. And one of the things that's always overlooked about the T5 and its current offering from Tremec, the T5z, is the speedometer. The speedometer does come as a mechanical, but we also offer the digital version and the analog version for electric speedometers that can plug into that opening. So if you need a solution for a speedometer in one of these, we do have a variety of them that supports both the Modern DriveLine tail housing and the Tremec tail housing. And don't forget, Modern DriveLine also offers complete solution packages for your vehicle.